This video is just going to be a review of your demonstrative pronouns, okay? Demonstrative pronouns. I'm not going to be explaining how to use demonstrative pronouns in this video. I just want to review what the demonstrative pronouns are, and what we will be talking soon about these demonstrative pronouns are relations that they have with the distant existence words, all right? So again, you should already know how to use demonstrative pronouns. We talked about that in those beginning series. This video, again, is just a review for what the demonstrative pronouns are. We're going to go over them, but we're not going to talk about how to use them and all that stuff and whatnot, because you should already know how to use them, what the cases are, and all that stuff, okay? So starting off, right, here we have in our demonstrative pronoun chart, in the red is our absolutive case demonstrative pronouns, right? Kiri, kari, which is, or it can, and their shortened forms are there too, right? Kiri, kari, shortened form is ri. Kini, kani, shortened form ni. Kana, shortened form na. And kadto is shortened form is to. Again, this is in terms of distance and how close something is relative to you or to the speaker or to whoever person is talking. So kiri obviously would be the closest, and as you go down the chart, gadto is going to be the farthest, okay? Same thing for the ones written in blue, and in blue we have the ergative case, okay? In the ergative case, we have niiri or niari, right? Their shortened forms is ari. Niini or niani, and their shortened form is ani. Niana, shortened form ana, and niadto, shortened form is nothing. Okay, so niari, niani, right, or niana or niadto. Okay, and again, that's the ergative form of the demonstrative pronouns. This is again going to be a quick video, right? It's just a review. On the side here, I wrote the distant existence words for the location and verbs, verbal actions, okay? Because I want to show the relationship that these have with the demonstrative pronouns. So for example, if I want to talk about something with kana, which is like that, far from me, right? It's going to have to do something with moving or movement or location of that far away, like that, which is the that is far away. That's just something that I want to say, because when we start going to example sentences and showing you the relations of these, you're going to start to understand that, oh, okay, it's going to be a challenge to you for this kind of like time-space visual, right? Or space-time visual relative to what you are thinking and relative to how you express it. All right?